Okay, I've had an epiphany a while back. I'm accumulating an awful lot of build plates, Garolite, metal, glass, and I get these dish racks or record stands. Either one, for the old 45s. You got to be pretty old to remember those, but I'm using them to keep my build plates organized, I guess you'd call it, in a disorganized form of organization. So just thought I'd drop that down there as a useful tip. Now up here I've got two more of these dish racks, pot racks, whatever you want to call them, up on these two shelves, and I've got all of my Ender 3 and Neptune 2 build plates up on those, and I've even got the extra magnetic stick on build plate surfaces and all of that stuff. I've got my glass. I've got a PEI sheet stuck to this piece of glass, and I've got one that I've got a magnet stuck to it in an experiment that I have yet to complete. But that's just, I find these things pretty cheap, so I just pick them up and put them together and put them to use.